birds. They're all wet. They just got out of the shower. Oh yeah, look at that wet bird. She looks like a wet rag. This one's a wet rag. And this one's like a little wet rag. What? What? She's a little nervous. She's gurgling. Hear the gurgling? She's a wet rat. Look at her. I think she's about to attack the camera. It's okay, bird. You're a wet rat. Because this is what we have to do for birds. Birds have to have showers. Yes. Every day, if possible. At least every other day. No less. No less. Why? Because they're dusty. And they need it. It's good for them. It soothes the savage bird. She's gurgling. You hear the rumble? It's okay, Einstein. It's okay. You should be used to cameras. You flirt with them all the time. You little turd. Poor bird. Poor bird. Poor bird.